Good morning everyone. In today's class of DST, I am discussing very important topic, the features of New Economic Policy 1991. Just remember the date. New Economic Policy came into 1991. So here are some features of this policy. There are three major components or elements or features of this policy. The name of features are LPG. Just remember the word LPG. Here LPG stands for liberalization, privatization and globalization. Liberalization means freedom, privatization means private sector, globalization means global world, all over the world. So it means economic policy came into 1991. It gave us three features: LPG, liberalization. Just dictionary meaning of word liberalization is freedom. Dictionary meaning of word privatization is private sector. Dictionary meaning of word globalization is all over the world. So when new economic policy came, three things came with this. We got freedom from some business restrictions. We got private sector instead of public sector. Also we got freedom to do business in all over the world in global sector. So let's discuss them in detail. Liberalization refers to end of license, quota means reservation, and many more restrictions and controls which were put in industries before 1991. Okay, before 1991 there were many license requirements, many restrictions, many control, many reservation, and many other things on industries. But now we are free. So here are some ways in which we got freedom. As abolition means end of license, except in few, correct the spelling, except, EXCEPT, no restriction on expansion or contraction of business activities, reduction in tax rate, liberalization in import and export means international business, easy and simplifying the procedure to attract foreign capital in India. Foreign capital in India means FDI, foreign direct investment, means foreign countries can invest in our country easily. Freedom in movement of goods and services, freedom in fixing the process of goods and services. So after 1991 we got freedom in many things. Import export became easy, moving of goods became easy, fixing of pricing became easy, expansion contraction of business activities became easy, license need of license was reduced. Okay, import and export became easy, and many more things became easy. FDI, foreign direct investment, means foreign people can invest in our India. It became simple by liberalization. Second is privatization. Just remember the definition, learn the definition. Privatization refers to giving greater role to private sector and reducing the role of public sector. That's the definition. Privatization means giving greater role to private sector, reducing the role of public sector. That's it. Here are some points in private sector. As disinvestment of public sector. Disinvestment means no investment in public sector now, investment in private sector. That is transfer of public sector enterprise to private sector. Setting up of board of BIFR, Board of Industrial and Financial Reconstruction, means BIFR. This board was set up to revive or close sick units in public sector enterprise suffering loss. जो units loss में है, they are not working properly, so BIFR supports, it revives means supports or also can close those sick units. Next, dilution of stake of government role became less. If in the process of disinvestment private sector acquires more than 51% shares, then in result in transfer of ownership and management to the private sector. Means for having private sector we must have 51% shares. So if this is there, then we are having private sector. There is no need of control of government, stake of government is not needed, we will have private sector. So that's all about liberalization and privatization. Globalization is remaining, I am discussing that also. Wait for a while. Globalization is also there. It refers to integration, means combination of various economies of world. till 1991, Indian government was following strict policy in regard to import-export and foreign investment in regard to licensing of import, tariff restriction, etc. But after new policy, government adopted policy of globalization by taking following measures. So globalization means पूरे world की economies को integrate और combine करना. It means import liberalization. Government removed many restrictions from import of capital goods. FERA, Foreign Exchange Regulation Act, was replaced by FEMA, FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act. Means FEMA came instead of FERA. Rationalization means practicality of tariff structure. Tariff means tax rate. Abolition means end of export duty. Some duties also got reduced. Custom duty, export duty, import duty, reduction of import duty. Means all over the world business became easy. Globalization was there in India. So we can freely do business with other countries. So for doing international business, we will have some import-export restrictions. But after globalization, liberalization, these restrictions got reduced. So abolition of export duty, reduction of import duty. As a result of globalization, physical boundaries and political boundaries remain no barriers. Okay, globalization means now no boundaries there in doing business. Physical boundary, political boundary is no barrier now. Restrictions are reduced. होल वर्ल्ड बिकेम अ ग्लोबल विलेज मीन्स होल वर्ल्ड हमारे एक छोटा सा गांव बन गया, छोटा सा विलेज बन गया. ग्लोबलाइजेशन इन्वॉल्व्स ग्रेटर इंटरेक्शन एंड इंटरडिपेंडेंस अमंग द वेरियस नेशंस ऑफ ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी. It means all over the world with all the economies we can now interact, we can now depend, we can now do import export, and we can do international business with all the nations of the world. All over the world now we can do business. So that's about new economic policy 1991, LPG, liberalization, privatization and globalization. I have discussed the full policy with 3 features. Thank you for listening. It is an important topic. Just learn it, practice it. Next I will discuss in another video.